Do you want to learn the skill of mosaic in the comfort of your own home? Would you like to be guided gently and slowly throughout the process step by step? And would you like to make a pair of gorgeous mosaic coasters that you can use every day? If yes, then I have designed this course especially for you. I'll help you produce the best results possible with zero experience required. I'd like to invite you to take part in this course, How to Make a Pair of Mosaic Coasters. The course is divided into 4 lessons: preparing tiles, drawing, mosaicing and grouting. We'll use simple and easy techniques for absolute beginners. In this course you'll learn many techniques, including how to soak and cut tiles, how to cut tiles to the exact shape and size that you require, how to place tiles for the best results, and how to grout the easy way. I'll give you all my knowledge and skill from over 10 years experience of teaching mosaic to adults and children. And I'll assist you in creating the best possible mosaic coasters that you can and that you can be proud of. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and I'll see you there.